Hi everyone, Will Barton here, Vice President of IPWEA, New South Wales and ACT. On Thursday, the 9th of September, is Are You OK Day, a national day of action to raise awareness around mental health. And I thought I'd share a little bit about my own journey, because like many of us, I've had my own struggles with mental health. In fact, in 2018, I was diagnosed with depression and anxiety. And during that time and subsequently, I have to say that one of the things that really made a difference was when my mates checked in with me, gave me a call, or when we could, met up face to face and asked that question of whether I was okay. It was often the thing that kept me going and helped me to adjust to living with this condition. So I want to encourage everyone, particularly now at this time, with everything that we're going through. For some of our members, they've been on the go for almost 2 years in some sort of crisis response. For those up in the north, it was August 2019 that the bushfires of Black Summer first kicked off. Down on the south coast, they've had something like 6, 7, perhaps 8 natural disasters in that 2-year time. And of course, we're all living with the impacts of COVID, the isolation, the anxiety, and the concern and worry for our loved ones and our friends. So now, more important than ever before, I think it's vital that we pick up the phone, talk to our mates, talk to our colleagues, and ask that question of, are you okay? Heaps of resources on the internet, so please, there's no excuse. Check on your mates and ask the question. I hope wherever you are, you're safe and well, and that we get to see each other at an event soon, face to face, whenever that may be.